We're nearly there. It's been a mad race against time now to install the new digital cinema at Theatr Adidwy. It's been 2 years in the making. We were told in January 2014 by the main cinema providers that they were no longer going to be able to find us the latest releases. So we had to approach the Arts Council and see if we could be part of the digital install with some other venues across Wales. It's been a huge project to undertake and we're coming to the end of it now. The theatre is still full of scaffolding, 5 stories high, which we've had up now for nearly 2 months to install the new house light system, together with the new digital projector and the amazing surround sound system that we're going to have. So we're just waiting for the scaffolding to come down so we can have a look at these new lights and start cleaning and get the theatre ready for the opening on the 1st of May. Quite exciting actually. It's a scaffolding firm from Bethesda and they're just brilliant. They've never done a job quite like this before. They really found it a nice challenge, I think. It was quite fun seeing these 3 guys carrying all this heavy scaffolding in. It took them 3 days to put it up and it's going to be interesting to see how long it's going to take them to take it down. Oh, the auditorium is looking great now. The scaffolding is down, but now we've got some serious work to do.
Wel, mi ath o yn dda iawn, o'n i'n meddwl o'n i'n eistedd yn y cefn y fanna ac o'n tua 80 yma o bobl ac i gyd wedi mwynhau. Ac ar y ffordd allan o'r sinema yn y ffoir, oedd Paul a Siri'n deud bod yna bobl wedi deud bod y profiad sinema gorau maen nhw wedi gael erioed bron. Mae'r sŵn a'r llun a'r setting y fan hyn just yn fendigedig, felly da iawn, hapus.
So our social media interactions have gone from about a few hundred on average to between 2,000 and 3,000, which is an increase of almost 500%, which means we're getting more people interacting with our Facebook page, sharing our posts, but more importantly, people are going from our Facebook page to our website, which has more information on, so people can see about films and theatre and other events that we'll be having, so it's really good news for us.